Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2025 Ford F-150 STX. Coming in this nice blue coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 2.7-liter EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the FX4 off-road package. Taking a look at the back here, we do get a dual exhaust. We got tow hitch, rear park sensing, backup camera. We got mud flaps on the rear and front with a nice black gripped running board, blind spot detection, a nice black hood deflector with front recovery hooks, license plate bracket, block heater, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black and bronze cloth interior, plenty of door space up front, the bronze on the door, floor mats, carpeted interior. You've got some bronze on the back here, rear vents, 2 USB-Cs, storage and cup holders, and we do get a nice split folding rear bench seat, which is perfect for extra storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do get a manual driver's seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there, plenty of door space up front, auto stop and start, lights, parking brake, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 9.5 kilometers. We got this nice vinyl wrap steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking here, we do get my view, trip and field, gauges, off-road, towing, status info, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. We got tons of storage over here, outlets, cup holders, your center console with even more storage. We have our drive modes, rear locking diff, four-wheel drive, trailer brake with climate controls, 12-volt with some outlets right here, upper and lower storage on the dash. We got our hill descent, hazards and traction, and your backup camera. Looking here, we have our audio, which has AM, FM, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM, your phone controls, your fave apps, messaging, email, all that jazz. Any apps you may have downloaded will show up here with your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is FB76605, and you can head on out to PG Ford or give us a call.